Bonjour, bonjour, fragrance lovers. This is Clémence. I talk about fragrance. See your stuff today. Let's go directly to the subject. I tell you which one is the best bleu. Bleu, no! Allure Homme Sport. Let's start the video. So today we're talking about the different interpretation of Allure Homme Sport from Chanel. So this is a line that I really enjoy myself, so that's why I wanted to talk about it and to help you, because I see a lot of comments sometimes be like, which one to choose for who it is. So this is what I'm going to tell you today. At the end I will tell you which one I prefer. First of all, let's talk about the bottle. So first one is the Allure Cologne, the one in a translucent bottle that will have its importance, translucent. Then you have the EDT in a grey bottle, classic one I would say. And the Extreme warm grey bottle, and you have a little thingy in red color. And the Edition Blanche got a lame color. A lame color in Chanel terms is something between gold and silver. So that's the color of the bottle. Okay, let's talk about the composition now. For the Allure Cologne, the composition is a very bright citrus vibe. It's everything about citrus. You've got bergamot, you've got mandarin, you've got grapefruit, you've got lemon. It's a full cocktail, a very, very sunny cocktail. You've got, of course, a little dry down that will be a bit more cedar-like, so slightly like a green, delicate wood. So it's not woody, it's just a very light wood that gives a bit like of, again, lemony tone, which is interesting in those kind of scents that are very refreshing. It smells also ultra clean. Despite the fact that it's super, super bright sunny, you've got a touch of moss that gives with sometimes a bit of delicacy and softness to the fragrance. So if you like a fresh cologne, that might be something nice. The of the EDT, so something that is really different compared to the all other one is the Marine Accord. If you need to remember something, is that this smell like the seaside. You've got this Marine Accord that is created by something that is called a crystal clear accord. So this is actually a molecule, and this is very close to, you would put your clothes in the washing machine, when they come back clean, that's why it smells, and this is called a crystal clear accord. So that's why it smells so clean, and that's why you get this marine seaside vibe. Some citrus, but mandarin. So mandarin is kind of like the coziest citrus. It's got a bit of a softness, so it's not like a sharp citrus. And what is interesting is the Tonka as well. So with the time, Allure Homme Sport developed something a bit more cozy and warm. So it's quite interesting because you've got a nice contrast between something ultra fresh and marine, but you still have a little bit of comfort. For the Extreme now, still have this mandarin that is quite delicate. The thing that really changed with the Extreme, got much more of this Tonka that gives like a slightly vanilla-like scent to the fragrance. The white musk is more pronounced, so it smells a bit more powdery and warm, cozier, cocooning, softer. To balance all of this warmness, we had some mint, and the mint gives like an extreme freshness, ultra bright and refreshing with this scent, completely balanced with something very, very warm. So it's nearly something a bit more oriental. For a vanilla-like scent or something a bit more sensual, that would be quite nice. Position of the Edition Blanche. So compared to the other one, the Edition Blanche doesn't focus on the mandarin, it focused on the lemon. So the lemon smell a bit more acidic, and this is really what the first hint of smell you will smell right at the beginning. Bright, sharp lemon. And after that, you get pretty a nice oriental tray, because you've got a mix of wood and a mix of vanilla. And the wood used in this one is heightened, and it's different from the other cedar wood that you will find in the other one. They smell more green and sharp. This one is a sandalwood, and sandalwood smells much more creamier, softer, delicate, and this is really something that gives like a bit of sensitivity to the composition. So you got this bright citrus totally balanced with this creaminess afterward. Something hot and something very cold, which is really interesting. So you can see in all the composition, you've got always a big contrast, whether it's mint and tonka bean, sandalwood and lemon, marine notes and tonka bean. It's really nice because they always find this extreme balance that makes those fragrance very interesting. For who are they for and what feeling does it make you feel? Eau d'Allure Cologne, this is the sporty fragrance. This is for summer, or if it's not for summer, I would say it's your energizing fragrance in the morning when you wake up, you had a tough night, a long night, and you want to wake up. This is your boost of energy. Or you feel a bit down, you feel a bit tired, then you want to straight to the point cologne, then you will go for cologne. And I insist on the word cologne because a cologne is something that is here to refresh you, boost you, which is not the case of the other ones. For someone that is on the go, the guy is busy, is running everywhere, he wants something fresh, he wants something that smells ultra clean, and that's why it smells so clean. For the EDT, I would say this is the most versatile one. If you're not too sure what to go for and you don't really know which one would be the best, if you want a signature scent or if you want something that you will wear on a daily basis for different occasions, this is the best because it's nice for daytime because of its refreshing tone. It's a bit holiday-like because you feel this burst of fresh marine scent, but also it gives like a bit of warmness, so could be nice for office, could be nice even to go out, you know, because you still have this warm tone on the skin. It's classic, simple yet classy to me. Nice for someone that is sporty as well, but it's nice for someone from the city, and I know what I'm talking about, that want to escape a little bit from the crowd. I would say this is nice to feel, to put your mind somewhere else. Somebody that wear that is trendy, is on the go, he want a classic fragrance that match a lot of things, and that is the extreme. This is the date scent, 100%. It's sensual, it's sexy. You still have this freshness with the mint that is really there, but it feels much more comforting. So I would say it's seductive, it's sensual, it's the attention grabber, the compliment getter of the range to me, and it's something that usually ladies like. I have to say, very sensual trail, gives something that is really nice for a date, and it's not too extreme, I would say, contrary to the name, because it's still quite a good value because it's got that fresh balance and that quite like more darker thing, but it's not too over the top. So if you don't know the lady and you're gonna first date her, this is a sure value. This is your date fragrance for everyone. This is something that's gonna work. You know it's gonna work, you don't take too much risk, and it's working very well. For the Edition Blanche, for me that's the hipster of the range. More artistic and a bit more dandy. I would say classic tone, but for someone that is a bit more edgy. Why that? Because for me the composition of it is quite different, and I have to say I've got a little crush on this one because it's refined and classic with something very modern at the same time, and that's why I say it's quite dandy looking for someone that is interesting into art. I don't know, I pictured this. I want to smell slightly different but still want a good classic that is so lovely. I think it's a really nice fragrance for office, quite reassuring with the sandalwood. It's reassuring but at the same time a bit punchy, and that's why I really like it. I think for me it's slightly more romantic as well, I feel, to me at least, and I really have a soft spot on this. Talk about longevity now, so performance. So this is usually something I don't really care about, like honestly, like if you want more longevity, take your bottle with you and that's done. I know it's important for some people, so I'm gonna talk about it. Stop! Eau d'Allure Cologne, the longevity is very moderate, but this is something normal. Nobody can complain about it because it's written on the bottle. It's written cologne. A lot of people make a confusion between what is a cologne and what is a fragrance. It's completely... Stop filming! Completely different. A cologne is there to refresh you, is there to have this invigorating feeling. It's not here to stay. It's something that is there to give you this burst of freshness. So don't mix the two. A cologne is not a fragrance. That's it. It is not a fragrance. So the longevity is quite moderate. Usually for a cologne you can go to 2 to 4 hours. It depends on your skin, but this is how it is. Like, I really like the fact that I love to have a fresh cologne sometimes to give me that punch of freshness. I know it's not trendy at the moment, but it will be back at some point, don't worry. Eau de toilette, for me the longevity is pretty good. The fact that there's a backbone a bit more oriental with the Tonka, for me, good projection, and always have people that says that they have nice compliment with this fragrance. It's a show value for sure, and I think the projection is moderate to really good. For the extreme one, it would be supposed to stay a bit more longer, and for me it's got a bit more projection. It's really like projecting a bit more in my sense, and I could really like smell an amazing sillage around, but that's what it's made for, because you've got more of this oriental and sensual way. It's there to project a bit more. It's normal, this ingredient stays more longer. So yeah, the Edition Blanche, I would say same than the Eau de Toilette. I would say for me it's got a moderate sillage and a moderate looking, which is something really nice for office. You don't want to intoxicate everyone. I'm not saying that with the extreme you're intoxicating everyone, far from that. For moderate longevity, to really good to me again. If you ask me which one I prefer, my favorite is the extreme. I really like an oriental person, and the Edition Blanche, couldn't choose. I really like this sandalwood. This creamy sandalwood is really flattering. I favorite actually. I don't know. I really like the cologne for the summer though. I don't know. At the moment with winter I would prefer the extreme. However, for everyday use I'm really keen on the Edition Blanche. I think it's so classy, so classy, and for me the most classy of all. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it did help you to do your fragrance purchase and help you within the range. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me a little like, and thank you for everyone that goes to my Utip in the description box to leave me a little tip. This is very nice, really appreciate, and I will see you all very soon. Bye now.